The complete guide to Web3 for beginners. What is Web3? An introduction to this new paradigm. Web3 is the future of the internet, and it will change how we interact with the web. The decentralization of the internet is an attractive concept. This is because it ensures that power isn't centralized in one entity, like a government, corporation, or any other entity that has more power than others. Instead, power is decentralized to users, who are able to have a say in how they want their data used and privacy respected. The decentralized internet will be a Web3 with no centralization of data, servers, or any centralized entities. The infrastructure of the current internet is based on the idea that there are points of failure at all times. This means that any point in the system can crash and break down to halt communications. With a decentralized internet, there is no central point to attack, thus no points of failure. The role of blockchain in Web3. The Web3 is the next generation of web, which is based on blockchain technology. It uses a peer-to-peer network of computers to store information and share it with each other. Web3 will have a lot of benefits such as better security, no censorship, and more privacy. However, it also has drawbacks in that there would be no central hosts, which means users cannot get on the internet unless they have their own personal servers and data centers. The decentralized internet is also hard to set up and maintain because it relies on everyone carrying out their responsibility so that the network can function properly. There are also risks involved with decentralization, such as power being distributed to individuals. In this new era of Web3, users are in control of their own data and can make their own decisions about how they want to share it with other people or companies without fear that it could be used against them or sold without their knowledge. This new decentralization also means that there is no single point of failure for hackers to target for a denial of service attack which would take down the entire internet, something that has happened before with companies like Yahoo. Web3 aims to make the internet more free and secure than ever before.